Hello everyone, we are going to start algebra exercise part 5. We are going to study questions based on factorization of quadratic equations and questions based on zeros of quadratic equations. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purpose only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owner of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concern or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Now, these are the formulas which we are going to use while solving the questions. Basic algebraic identities. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A plus B whole square minus 3AB. A square plus B square minus AB is equal to A cube plus B cube upon A plus B. Then A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Next we have A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A minus B whole square minus 3AB. Then A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B whole cube plus 3AB into A minus B. Then we have A square plus B square plus AB is equal to A cube minus B cube upon A minus B. Next is A minus B minus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square minus 2AB plus 2BC minus 2CA. Then A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Then A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Now, next we have steps for factoring a quadratic equation. So, in order to factor a quadratic equation, one has to perform the following steps. Step 1. Find two numbers whose product is equal to AC and whose sum is equal to B. Step 2 is write the middle term Bx as the sum of two terms. Then step 3, factor the first two terms and the second two terms separately. Next one is nature of roots of quadratic equations. Let A, B and C belongs to real number R and A is not equal to 0, then the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The discriminant d of the quadratic equation is given by d equal to b square minus 4ac. This discriminant helps determine the nature of the roots. That is, if d is greater than 0, the equation has two distinct real roots. If discriminant d is equal to 0, the equation has exactly one real root or a repeated root. And next is, if d is less than 0, the equation has two complex conjugate roots. Formula 19.46, relationship between roots and coefficients. If alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then sum of the roots alpha plus beta is going to be equal to minus b upon a, and product of roots alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Next is formation of an quadratic equation. If the roots of a quadratic equations are alpha and beta, then equation will be of the form x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Formula next 19.48 is cubic roots. If alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of cubic equation, then ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0 is a cubic equation where a is not equal to 0. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha into beta plus beta into gamma into alpha is equal to c upon a. And alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d upon a. 19.49 Formation of cubic equation. If alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of cubic equation, then the equation will be of form x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta into gamma is equal to 0. Now moving on to the question number 1. Factors of x square plus 7x plus 10 are, and options are: option A, x minus 5 into x minus 2, option B, x plus 5 into x plus 2, option C, x minus 5 into x plus 2, and option D, x minus 4 into x plus 2. These are the options. So, factors of x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to x square. 7x can be written as 5x plus 2x. So, it becomes x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Taking x common from the first two terms, x square and 5x, we get x into x plus 5. And taking 2 common from the last two terms, we get 2 into x plus 5. X plus 5 is present in both the initial half and the later half also. So x plus 5 into x plus 2 are the factors of equation x square plus 7x plus 10. Therefore, option number B, x plus 5 into x plus 2 is the correct answer. Next, x cube plus 5x square minus 2x minus 24 has a 0, x equal to 2. Find the other 0. And options are: option A, minus 3 comma 5, option B, minus 2 comma 3, option C, minus 3 and minus 4, and option D, 3 comma 4. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. X minus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 5x square minus 2x minus 24. So x cube can be written as x square into x. So in place of x, we have put x minus 2 plus 7x square minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square into x minus 2 plus 7x into x minus 2 plus 12x minus 24 is equal to 0. Then x square into x minus 2 plus 7x into x minus 2 plus, from 12x and 24 taking 12 common, we get 12 into x minus 2 equal to 0. Now x minus 2 is present in every term. So taking x minus 2 common, we get x square plus 7x plus 12, that is equal to 0. Therefore, on factoring x square plus 7x plus 12, we get x plus 4 and x plus 3. So x plus 4 into x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the value of x can be, if we will put x plus 4 equal to 0, then x is minus 4. If we put x plus 3 equal to 0, then x is minus 3. And if we put x minus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to 3. Therefore, zeros of the polynomial other than 2, because we have three zeros, minus 4, minus 3, and 2. So the zeros of the given polynomial other than 2 are minus 4 and minus 3. Therefore, option number C, minus 3 and minus 4 are the correct option. Correct is the correct option. Next, if x minus 1 and x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus ax plus b, then find the value of a and b respectively. And options are: option A, 2 and 3, option B, 2 and minus 3, option C, minus 2 and minus 3, and option D, minus 2 and 3. These are the options. Equation x square plus ax plus b has a factor of x minus 1 and x plus 3. X minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x square plus ax plus b. So multiplying x minus 1 and x plus 3, we get x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. That is equal to the given equation, that is x square plus ax plus b. So x square plus 3x minus x is 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to x square plus ax plus b. So now we will compare both the sides, left hand side to the right hand sides. Ax was written here and here it was written 2x. Therefore, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 3. So option number B, 2 and minus 3 are the values of A and B, and option B is the correct answer. Next, What is the square root of x square plus 4x plus 4 into x square plus 6x plus 9? And the options are option A, 2x plus 3 into x plus 3, option B, x plus 2 into x plus 3, option C, x plus 2 into 2x plus 3, and option D, x plus 2 into x plus 4. These are the options. So we are going to use formula 9.19.5 to solve this question. X square plus 4x plus 4 into x square plus 6x plus 9. A square plus 2ab plus b square into a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So comprising of a plus b square and a plus b square. It means that the given expression was in the form of a plus b whole square into a plus b whole square. So x square plus 4 can be written as 2 into x plus 4 can be written as 2 square also. Then we have x square plus 6x plus 9. So x square plus 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into x, and 9 can be written as 3 square. That means this thing was x plus 2's whole square, and that was x plus 3's whole square. Therefore, we have to find the square root. So on doing the square root, the power 2 will cancel out and we will get only x plus 2 into x plus 3. That means option number B, x plus 2 into x plus 3 is the correct answer. Next, find the factors of x square plus x minus 42. And the options are option A, x plus 14 into x minus 3. Option B, x plus 6 into x minus 7. Option C, x minus 6 into x plus 7. And option D, x minus 14 into x plus 3. These are the options. X square plus x minus 42 was our given equation. So x square plus 7x minus 6x. This plus x can be written as plus 7x minus 6x, and the multiplication of 7 and 6 is plus 7 and minus 6 is minus 42. So this thing can be written as x square plus 7x minus 6x minus 42. Taking x common from the first two terms, we get x into x plus 7. Taking minus 6 common from the last two terms, we get minus 6 into x plus 7. So the factors are x minus 6 and x plus 7. That means option number C is the correct answer. Next, select the correct factor of 2x square minus 5x plus 2. And options are option A, x minus 2, option B, x minus 3, and option C, x minus 4, and option D, x minus 5. These are the options. So the given equation was 2x square minus 5x plus 2. So 2x square minus 4x minus x. This minus 5x can be broken down as minus 4x minus x plus 2. Taking 2x common from the first two terms, we get 2x into x minus 2, and taking minus 1 common from the last two terms, we get minus 1 into x minus 2. So the factors are x minus 2 into 2x minus 1. Therefore, option number A, x minus 2, was the correct answer. Find the factors of x square plus x minus 20. And options are option A, x plus 5 into x minus 4. Option B, x plus 4 into x minus 5. Option C, x minus 2 into x plus 10. And option D, x minus 2 into x plus 5. These are the options, and I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. So the given equation was x square plus x minus 20. Is this plus x can be written as plus 5x minus 4x. So our equation becomes x square plus 5x minus 4x plus minus 20. Taking x common from the first two terms, we get x into x plus 5. Taking minus 4 common from the last two terms, we get minus 4 into x plus 5. So the factors are x plus 5 into x minus 4. Option number A is the correct answer. Next, if the factors of 3x raised to power 4 minus a plus 2 into x cube minus x square minus 4 is x minus 2, then find the value of a. And options are option A 5, option B minus 1, option C 3, and option D 4. These are the options. So factors of 3x raised to power 4 minus a plus 2 into x cube minus x square minus 4 is equal to x minus 2. Because x minus 2 is a factor, so x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is 2. Putting the value of x equal to 2 in that equation, we get 3 into 2 raised to power 4 minus a plus 2 into 2 cube minus 2 square minus 4, that is equal to 0. Because if x minus 2 is a factor, then on putting x equal to 2 in the equation, we should get 0 as the remainder. So that is equal to 0. So 3 into 2 raised to power 4 is 16 minus a plus 2 into 2 cube is 8 minus 2 square is 4 minus 4 equal to 0. 16 into 3 is 48 minus 8 into a minus 8a minus 8 2 into 8, that is minus 16, minus 4 is minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore 24 minus 8a is equal to 0, then 8a is equal to 24. So if 8a is equal to 24, then a is equal to 24 upon 8, that is a equal to 3. So option number C is the correct answer. The value of a is 3. Next, factorize x square minus 13x minus 48. And options are option A, x minus 4 into x plus 12. Option B, x plus 4 into x minus 12. Option C, x minus 16 into x plus 3. And option D, x plus 16 into x minus 3. These are the options. So the given equation was x square minus 13x minus 48. So x square minus 13x can be written as minus 16x plus 3x. Minus 48 is written as minus 48 is written as it is. So taking x common from the first two terms, we get x into x minus 16. And taking 3 common from the last two terms, we get 3 into x minus 16. So the factors are x minus 16 into x plus 3. Option number C is the correct answer. Next is factors of x square minus 8x plus 12 is option A, x minus 6 into x minus 2. Option B, x minus 6 into x plus 2. Option C, x minus 4 whole square. Option D, x plus 6 into x minus 2. These are the options, and I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. So the equation was x square minus 8x plus 12. Minus 8x can be written as minus 6x minus 2x, and the multiplication of minus 6 and minus 2 is plus 12. Therefore, x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 12. Taking x common from the first two terms, we get x into x minus 6, and taking minus 2 common from the last two terms, we get minus 2 into x minus 6. So the factors are x minus 6 into x minus 2. Therefore, option number A is the correct answer. Next, factors of x square minus 6x plus 8. And the options are option A, x minus 4 into x minus 2. Option B, x plus 4 into x plus 2. Option C, x plus 8 into x minus 2. Option D, x minus 4 into x plus 8. These are the options. So the given expression is x square minus 6x plus 8. Minus 6x can be written as a minus 4x minus 2x. So it is x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Taking x common from the first two terms, we get x into x minus 4. And taking minus 2 common from the last two terms, we get minus 2 into x minus 4. So the factors are x minus 4 into x minus 2. Option number A is the correct answer. Next, factors of x square minus 2x minus 15. Options are option A, x plus 5 into x minus 3. Option B, x minus 5 into x minus 3. Option C, x minus 3 into x minus 1. And option D, x minus 5 into x plus 3. These are the options. So from the question, x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15. This minus 2x can be written as minus 5x plus 3x. Now taking x common from the first two terms, we get x into x minus 5, plus taking 3 common from the last two terms, we get 3 into x minus 5. Therefore, the factors are x minus 5 into x plus 3. That means option number D, x minus 5 into x plus 3 is the correct answer. Next is factors of x square minus 6x plus 8. And the options are option A, x plus 4 into x minus 2. Option B, x minus 4 into x plus 2. Option C, x minus 4 whole cube. Option D, x minus 4 into x minus 2. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. So the given expression was x square minus 6x plus 8. Minus 6x can be written as minus 4x minus 2x. So our equation becomes x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Taking x common from the first two terms, we get x into x minus 4. And taking minus 2 common from the last two terms, we get minus 2 into x minus 4. So the factors are x minus 4 into x minus 2. Option number D is the correct answer. Next, factors of x square plus 6x plus 8. Options are option A, x plus 4 into x plus 2. Option B, x minus 4 into x plus 2. Option C, x minus 2. And option D, x minus 4 into x minus 2. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. Given expression was x square plus 6x plus 8. So this 6x can be written as 6 4x plus 2x. So x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 is the transformed equation. Taking x common from the first two terms, we get x into x plus 4. Taking 2 common from the last two terms, we get 2 into x plus 4. So the factors are x plus 4 into x plus 2. Option number A is the correct option. Next, if there is two real solutions of x square minus 4x plus 4b equal to 0, then find the value of b. And options are option A, b is greater than equal to 1. Option B, b is less than 1. Option C, b is equal to plus 1 minus 1. And option D, b is equal to 0. These are the options. So we are going to use formula 19.45 to solve this question. The given expression was x square minus 4x plus 4b equal to 0. Discriminant's value must be positive for two real solutions of quadratic equations, or we can say b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is nothing but the discriminant that should be greater than 0 because it must have a positive value. So for positive value, discriminant should be greater than 0. From the equation, we come on comparing the value of b is minus 4. So minus 4 is square, minus 4 into a is 1, into c is 4b. That should be greater than 0. So minus 4 square is 16, minus 4 into 4 is 16b. That should be equal greater than 0. Therefore, 16 is greater than 16b. Or we can say 1 is greater than b. or b is less than 1. That means option number B is the correct answer. B is less than 1. Next, if the two roots of the quadratic equations is alpha and beta, when alpha plus beta is equal to 2 and alpha minus beta is equal to 2, then the equation is option A, x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Option B, x square plus 8x minus 15 equal to 0. Option C, x square minus 8x minus 15 equal to 0. And option D, x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. These are the options. So we're using formula 19.46. Because alpha and beta quadratic equations have two roots, alpha plus beta equal to 8 given in the question, and alpha minus beta is equal to 2 that was already given in the question. So adding these two equations, alpha plus beta equal to 8 and alpha minus beta equal to 2. If we add these two equations, we are going to get 2 alpha equal to 8 plus 2, that is 10, plus beta minus beta will be 0. So if 2 alpha equal to 10, then alpha equal to 5. Now, putting the value of alpha, we get 5 plus beta equal to 8 from equation 1. Then beta is going to be 8 minus 5, that is 3. Beta is 3. So quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0 is the standard quadratic equation in terms of alpha and beta. So putting the values in this equation, we get x square minus alpha plus beta is 8, so minus 8x plus alpha into beta is 3 into 5, 15. So x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Option number A is the correct answer. Next, find the root of 2x square minus 15x plus 28. And options are option A, both negative, option B, not real, option C, one positive, one negative, and option D, both positive. These are the options, and I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct option. After that, I will do the solution for you. So the given equation was 2x square minus 15x plus 28 is equal to 0. Now, 2x square minus 15 can be written as 8 plus 7 into x plus 28 equal to 0. 2x square minus 8x minus 7x minus 28. The previous expression can be transformed as 2x square minus 8x minus 7x minus 28 equal to 0. Taking 2x common from these two terms, we get 2x into x minus 4, and taking 7 from the last two terms, we get minus 7 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So the factors are 2x minus 7 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So if 2x minus 7 is equal to 0, then x equal to 7 upon 2. And if x minus 4 equal to 0, then x equal to 4. Therefore, it is clear that both roots is positive. Option number D, both positive is the correct answer. Next, for which value of k are the roots of the equation kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0 is similar? Option A 6, option B 0, 6, option C 3, 2, and option D minus 2. These are the options. So we are going to use formula 19.45 to solve this question. The given equation was kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So kx into x is kx square minus kx into 2 is 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Roots of quadratic equation will be equal if value of these discriminant will be 0. That is using 19.45. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac, that should be equal to 0. So putting the value of b, a and c in the b square minus 4ac equation, we get minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6 equal to 0. Minus 2k square is 4k square minus 4 into 6 is 24k equal to 0. So taking 4k common, we get 4k into k minus 6 equal to 0. So the value of k is equal to 6, because if we put 4k equal to 0, then k is 0. And if k minus 6 equal to 0, then k is equal to 6. Therefore, option number A, 6 is the correct answer. Next, if A and B are the roots of the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0, then find the value of A upon B plus B upon A. And options are option A, 13 upon 9, option B, 13 upon 6, option C, 13 upon 2, and option D, 9 upon 13. These are the options. So we are going to use formula 19.45 to solve this question. Comparing equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard quadratic equation from equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. The values of a equal to 3, b equal to minus 5, and c equal to 2 are found. And sum of roots a plus b equal to minus b upon a, that is equal to minus b is minus 5 upon a is 3, that is equal to y upon 3. And multiplication of roots a into b is equal to c upon a, c is 2 and a is 3, that is equal to 2 upon 3. Therefore, we have to find a upon b plus b upon a. So the value of a upon b plus b upon a is equal to, taking ab as the LCM, we get a square plus b square in the numerator. So a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab upon ab, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b's whole square minus 2ab upon ab. Value of a plus b, putting 5 upon 3 whole square minus 2 into ab is 2 upon 3 upon ab is 2 upon 3. 5 upon 3 whole square is 25 upon 9 minus 2 into 2 is 4 upon 3 upon 2 upon 3. So 20 minus 5 minus 12 upon 9 upon 2 upon 3, that is equal to 13 upon 9 into 3 upon 2. So the value is equal to 13 upon 6. So the value of a upon b plus b upon a is 13 upon 6. Option number B is the correct answer. Next, for which value of k in the equation x square plus 2kx plus 4 equal to 0 is a real solution? Options are option A 0, option B 2 comma 0, option C minus 2 and 0, and option D 2 and minus 2. These are the options. So using formula 19.45, real solution is x square plus 2kx plus 4 equal to 0 for the value of k, b square plus 4ac equal to 0. Now b is 4k, so 4k square minus 4ac becomes minus 16 equal to 0. So the value of k square is going to be 4. And if k square is 4, then k is equal to plus minus 2. That means 2 or minus 2 are the values of k. Option number D is the correct answer. Next is, given 2x square plus 19x plus 45 equal to 0 and 2y square plus 11y plus 12 equal to 0, then which of the following is true for the roots x comma y? Option A, x is greater than equal to y. Option B, x is less than y. Option C, x is less than equal to y. And option D, x is greater than y. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. The equation was 2x square plus 19x plus 45 equal to 0. 19x can be written as 10x plus 9x. So 2x square plus 10x plus 9x plus 45 equal to 0. We have broken 19x into two parts such that the addition is 19x and the multiplication of 10 into 9 is equal to multiplication of 45 into 2, that is 90. Now taking 2x common from the first two terms, we get 2x into x plus 5, and taking 9 common from the last two terms, we get 9 into x plus 5, that is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 5 into 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, if x plus 5 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 5. And if 2x plus 9 is equal to 0, then x is going to be equal to minus 9 upon 2. Then we have equation 2y square plus 11y plus 12 equal to 0. Now we have to break 11y into two parts such that the addition is 11, 8 plus 3, and the multiplication is equal to multiplication of 12 and 2. 12 into 2 is 24 and 8 into 3 is also 24. So it is satisfying the conditions. Now taking 2y from the first two parts, we get 2y into y plus 4, and taking 3 common from these two terms, we get 3 into y plus 4. That is equal to 0. So y plus 4 and 2y plus 3 are the two factors. So if y plus 4 equal to 0, then y is going to be equal to minus 4. And if 2y plus 3 equal to 0, then y is going to be equal to minus 3 upon 2. So it is clear that values of y are always greater than values of x. Therefore, option number B, x is less than y, is the correct answer. Next, find the equation whose roots are a plus root b and a minus root b. And options are option A, x square plus 2ax minus a square minus b equal to 0. Option B, x square minus 2ax plus a square minus b equal to 0. Option C is x square minus ax plus a square minus b square equal to 0. And option number D is x square plus ax plus a square minus b square equal to 0. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find that which one of them is correct. After that, I will do the solution. So we are going to use formula 19.47 to find out the answer to this question. So equation's root is a plus root b and a minus root b. And x square minus sum of roots into x plus multiplication of roots equal to 0 is the required quadratic equations. So x square minus sum of the roots is going to be a plus root b plus a minus root b into x plus multiplication of roots is going to be a plus root b into a minus root b. That is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus a plus a is 2a and root b minus root b is 0. So we get only 2a inside this brackets, that is equal to minus 2a into x plus a plus root b into a minus root b is going to be a square minus b. That is equal to 0. So the equation is x square minus 2ax plus a square minus b equal to 0. Option number B is the correct answer. So these were the questions. I hope you have understood the questions well. Thank you very much for joining the session.